This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and again, this is a daily candlestick chart of the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500. And last Thursday, where we left off, market had closed. You see this big, nasty red institutional-sized candle here, closed below that trend line. That trend line was acting as support, and that got broken. And you can see we got a little bit on the oversold side here on that big move down. Market retraced, and what was support, which was the trend line here, now becomes resistance. So it came up to the trend line resistance now, was not able to get back above that, and we got a gap down here. Selling off today on Thursday. We are not oversold here. We do have room to move to the downside, and the gap fill back here we talked about was a potential target. That would be our first target, let's say, to the downside. And then the bigger target, of course, was the larger gap fill left back here. So those are a couple of downside targets. If we do get down to the second gap fill here, we do have some demand that could come into play where we should get a bounce, probably going to be oversold on the oscillator as well at that point. Some of the highlights to next week's economic data: retail sales on Monday, Tuesday, housing starts and building permits, industrial production, Wednesday's Fed beige book at 2 o'clock, Thursday's initial jobless claims, Philly Fed, and existing home sales. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.